Selamat datang di channel Atmaja Villa. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini, guys. Dan seperti biasa saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan, amin. Welcome back. Kita akan kembali lagi mengamati perkembangan dari idola kita, The Beautiful Song, Putri Ariani, guys. Kali ini ada reaktor dari luar negeri yang tampilannya seperti rock and roll, yang mereaksikan Putri Ariani bernyanyi lagu Rainbow. Jadi wow, amazing sekali. Setiap Putri mengcover lagu selalu berhasil membuat orang yang pertama melihat kaget dan terpesona, guys. Jadi wow, amazing. Kita dukung bersama-sama talent muda dari Indonesia yang sedang berjuang mengharumkan nama besar Indonesia di kancah vokal dan selebriti. Oke, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya. Let's go, guys.
Again with another music video reaction. My name is Josh. Thanks for checking out the channel. If you click the thumbnail, you're probably here to check out some more Putri Ariani. So Putri is an artist that I was told to check out not that long ago, within like the last week or so, and it's been quite the whirlwind of not knowing what to expect at all to being completely utterly shocked and then diving deeper for more. So from what you guys have told me in the comment section, she is an artist out of Indonesia and is making some waves in the music world, especially I believe recently she was on America's Got Talent. I think that shined a light on her for a lot of people, and including myself, as I was told to check her out. I was told to check out that performance. I haven't done that one yet, just because I don't do a lot of talent show things. I don't really like a lot of the commentary that goes around it necessarily, but I do really enjoy checking out a lot of new artists, and she has been so cool to check out just because she's got such fun style and she's able to kind of switch what she does. I mean, she can go with some very serious kind of songs, you know, that are very heavy, you know, like some Adele stuff, but then she's also done some Bruno Mars stuff that was very happy, and she just fit right into all of that stuff. So I wanted to watch some more of her stuff, and then all of a sudden I seen a couple days ago she popped up in another video, and this is Putri Ariani featuring Wiki Darmawan. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. And this is a cover of Over the Rainbow, and I am a big fan of Over the Rainbow. I mean, that's one of my favorites was actually there was the big Hawaiian guy. He did the Over the Rainbow and What a Wonderful World kind of combo song, which I absolutely loved. But I thought I'd go ahead and check this one out, as I've heard that it's pretty stellar already. So it's only been out for a couple days, but you guys are also strong in my comment section, so I appreciate that. Yep. All right, let's get it. Oh, okay, so he must be the...
Oh. Ini lagu lumayan sulit, guys, di cover asli.
But you dare to dream, really do come true. Oh. Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where I
tik tik tik. Asik sekali Putri.
Thank you,
nyanyinya.
thank you.
Spontan gitu loh.
Uhuy.
Jadi bebas
Ya, freestyle itu tadi.
Iya, freestyle. Keren.
Freestyle.
All right, so that was Putri Ariani featuring Wiki Darmawan. And if you couldn't tell by my face, I was impressed. You know, I forget that she normally plays the piano while she's also singing. And, you know, when she only has to focus on singing, she's even better. I mean, not that she couldn't do that herself as well while playing the piano, but man, when she's able to just solely focus on that, that was probably the best version of this song that I've heard. I mean, and I've heard a lot of different versions of it. I mean, it's a song that's been around for a long, long time. So that was really beautiful, though. This one really kind of showed me how, I think before I've said she kind of reminded me of kind of like a Michael Jackson kind of voice, where she had a lot of really good control over her vocals, but that was also in like more of a poppy setting, where if it was like, you know, the Bruno Mars stuff. In this one, she really, really, I mean, honestly, it was very reminiscent of like Mariah Carey and just her vocal control and her style of singing, and she's able to do it all, and that's pretty ridiculous, but also awesome. That's so neat. And this one's really new. I mean, this one came out a couple days ago, and wow, that's fantastic. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. How was that for versions of Somewhere Over the Rainbow that you've heard? Because for me, it's either at the top or it's right there next to, maybe tied. I'm about to think about that. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Go to that subscribe button if you would. That'd be fantastic. And as always, you're awesome. Peace out.
Oke guys, jadi segitu yang kita reaction, jadi wow, amazing dan wow. Wow, benar memang Putri Ariani ketika mengcover lagu apapun yang dibawakan selalu dengan penghayatan dan emosional yang dapat sekali guys. Apalagi itu lagu-lagu yang lawas yang sudah dibuat puluhan tahun atau ratusan tahun mungkin, itu nggak gampang juga di cover, dinyanyikan atau dibawakan oleh Putri Ariani, itu nggak gampang juga guys. Apalagi tadi ada nada-nada yang sangat-sangat tinggi sekali, dan itu amazing, keren sekali, beautiful song ini guys. Dan wow. Yuk kita dukung terus ya, support terus untuk kedepannya, semoga berhasil nanti di acara Agate. Kita dukung, kita kasih suara kita untuk menyupport Putri Ariani, the beautiful song dari Indonesia. Dan oke, apa tanggapan kalian juga, tulis di kolom komentar, kita juga bisa berdiskusi di situ. Sekian video kali ini, dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya, mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.